Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to build part 6-39B, the driving chain in the link for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-39B, the driving chain inner link for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, MMGS, Part. Alright, let's go to Front Plane, Sketch. Now, technically this part's made 3 pieces, but unlike the others, I might make this as 1 piece. Let's do circles, so I want 2 circles there, another circle there, 1 there, and 1 there. Okay, let's go sketch. Smart dimension. Inner circle will be 10. Outer circle will be 14, radius is 7. There's going to be 10 as well. I could put these equal, but I'm just going to do it this way for now. 14. This is the radius 7, so it's going to be 14 as well. And 14. Okay, this center to this center will be 16. Now, this point and this point will be horizontal. Let me move you out there. There we go. Now, this circle and this circle will be tangent, as well as this circle and this circle will be tangent. So this one, this circle, tangent. This circle will be tangent. All right, so let's go trim. There is. So trim you first, trim you next. That one and that one. There we go. And that's what we want. Right, I'm going to delete these ones. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to put these as radius. That one there. That one there. They stay there. So now, radius. Yep. Radius. Yep. Yep. And oh, there. Thank you. There we go. And it's all fully defined. That's good. That's going to be a width of 23. So 1922. Yeah, 23. Let's go. Feature, extrude. So it's 19 plus 2 plus 2, which is 23. Yeah. Just want to make sure. That's going to be midpoint. Then find my cursor. There it is. Mid plane. And done. Let's go top plane. Normal. Sketch. Let's do a rectangle. That's going to be from this outer edge to this edge will be 2. And same with this one will be 2. Oop, on. Nope, get it. I went too far back. 2. That one will be 2. Now, this overhangs, so it doesn't matter about dimension this, but if you just want to keep it tidy, just put a random dimension. Always go further. What is that? Oh, yeah, because you can move that way. That's fine. If you want to lock it in, you can. Doesn't really matter. Because we want to go now Oop, where are we? Feature, extrude cut, through all, direction 2, through all, and done. There we go. All bodies. Okay. There we go. I've never seen that before. Okay, so that's that part done. That's that section done, sorry. Now we want a circle that goes in this one. So if we go to normal. Sorry, mine went blank. We don't want sketch on that one though. We want sketch on this front plane. Hold on. Oh no, we're good. We're good. Go normal front plane. Sketch on front plane. Circle. It's going to be this one here. And then that's going to be extrude out mid plane of 27. And done. There you go, that's a good view. And that's that part done. Can we zoom in a little bit more? There we go. That's part 6-39B, driving chain inner link done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comments, subscribe. It's been a long week, been a long month. So thank you again for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode.